channel Dawn in the Labyrinth. Today is my first video and it's going to be about tips on studying in Milan. Guys, I myself pursued my masters in Milan for quite some time and I think these tips will be very useful for all you guys who are going to witness the start of a new semester there. In the next 3-4 months, you're already starting a new life out there, so I thought these tips should be very useful for you guys and I should share it with you all. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now guys, it's very important for you all to choose an accommodation which is close to your college area as it will reduce the commute time. It's very important to be located close to the college. Secondly, there are a lot of websites which offer great deals about accommodation, but my personal recommendation would be spotahome.com. I would leave a link about that in the description section below. Thirdly, I know as a new student, you guys are away from home and away from your family. You guys will be very skeptical in the beginning. That's why it's very important for all of you all to feel homey around. Please decorate your room or apartment with all your creativity and imagination and make it feel like home. Fourthly, this may come across as a very generic point for some of you all, but it's very important for me to share this with you guys. If you guys get a chance to choose your room partner, please choose your room partner wisely. You guys are going to be with each other for the next few months. It's very important to develop a good understanding with each other. Hence, please wisely choose your room partner. Now I know that Milan is known as the fashion capital of the world and all that, but I would still vote Milan to be the foodie's paradise. The city has some crazy gelatos to offer and you guys cannot miss out any of them. My personal top 3 choices would be these 3 gelatos which I'm going to mention right now. The first one is Venci, the second one is Cioccolati Italiani, and the third one is Il Massimo del Gelato. These 3 gelato joints have some amazing, unique varieties of gelato which you guys cannot miss out. Also, heads up to the vegetarians, you guys have to check each and every ingredient of every food item you all are purchasing from the supermarket. A simple food item like a bread might just contain big fats, you never know. So please double check and cross check your food ingredients before you buy them from the supermarket. Now that I've spoken about the supermarket, I would give some recommendations about the same. In Milan, there are 3 supermarkets which are very famous. The first one is Penny, which is very student and budget friendly. Secondly is Esselunga. It covers everything from A to Z under one roof. The third one is Carrefour. Carrefour is a 24-hour supermarket, so you all will go there as per your convenience. I know guys, you all will face some issues when you're in a new foreign country, but if you all know cooking, you all will save out on a lot of your efforts, finding things in the city. Trust me guys, I sucked at cooking, I didn't know anything about cooking, but after getting exposure there where I had to manage everything by myself being a vegetarian, I tried cooking a lot of recipes, I developed new and simple recipes, and I'm going to share a video about the same later on. The last tip will be about commuting. So Milan has this universal card which works like magic everywhere around the city. It's known as the ATM card and this is what it looks like. So this ATM card helps you go in and around the city via 3 modes of transport particularly. Trains, tram and buses. It's very cheap and you guys can get yourself one ATM card at any of the central stations there. Also because you all are in a new city and it's very important for you all to be comfortable all the time because you all will be going to some particular places you are not aware about. So please wear comfortable shoes. Do not travel in discomfort. It becomes very difficult when you're in a new city. There are a lot of apps which will help you guide to a particular place, but my vote would go for the City Mapper app. It is available on Android as well as Apple devices. This app helps you find the shortest route to a particular destination via any means of transport. So that's it from my end guys. I hope you all liked the video and found it to be informative. If you all find the video to be useful, please don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe to my channel for a lot of interesting videos in the future. I'm going to see you guys in my next video and signing off for now. Bye bye.